Are we the right factory? Are we the right manufacturer to do what this customer needs? So therefore, after the sale, it doesn't end there. Our job on a COI boat is to walk it all the way through until a boat is certified in the water and that customer is making money. But on anything, if there's a need, we have our group that goes until it's right. If we've had to go to Cleveland to fix a problem, we don't want to have any warranty issues whatever, but we will do that, until the customer is satisfied. That just fits under that value of one team, doing it with excellence, doing what's right. So we're a very value-centered group, and that's what drives what we do all the way through. And our biggest source of business is repeat business. I would like to say that's the core, is because what we did the first time ends up with the second, the third, and the fourth order.